Hey, do you know who is AADME? I am from AADME, AADME. Every single person expert in every single skills. But here, you can't think that you will be expert in whole digital marketing that is called digital marketing expert, right? Hey, my name is Vicky and I'm from Durgapur, West Bengal. I just completed my advanced diploma in digital marketing under the guidance of Alok sir. Here I felt that AADME is the best institute in India because no one institute here in India that will provide you lifetime mentorship and lifetime support whether you are going to start a startup or you want to get a job. AADME is always with you till the end of your life. I'm sharing my some experience with you guys under the guidance of Alok sir here. We not only build digital marketing skills along with the we build skills communication skill that how to talk with the clients and also video marketing. If you are hesitate to face camera, here is proof. We also hesitate facing camera, but right now you are watching my video right with my confidence. Here in AADME you will always get support by Arpit sir, Pradeep sir. Arpit sir is always with you whenever you need or you get any problem regarding your business or job. AADME team is always with you and Arpit sir is always with you. Thank you sir. Thank you AADME team. Thank you Alok sir and thank you Arpit sir.